Jayson, great to have you, basically. So it's the first time in EMO history that we have an alliance country. This year is Canada. How does it feel for you?
Yeah, thanks, Sven. Really excited to be the first alliance country and to bring over a group of exhibitors to EMO this year. Companies are looking for new customers, but they're also looking for new technologies and new partners. So there's a lot of interest in participating in EMO to see the best in machine tool manufacturing from around the world. And I think Canada has a lot to offer too. We have precision machine tool companies, but we have a lot of AI, a lot of additive manufacturing, a lot of digital solutions and automation and robotic solutions that I think can be applied in the machine tool industry. So those are some of the exhibitors that we're going to be coming.
Great. I mean, you just mentioned an AI, one of the key topics of the trade fair this year. In our former conversation, you mentioned a little bit the initiatives that you support as NGen as well. So what are the kind of projects you're supporting there in AI?
Well, AI is pretty much embedded in all of our advanced manufacturing projects. A lot of it to automate, to autonomize robotics and automation processes. A lot of it to read data, but of course, even machine learning assumes there's a machine involved. So the integration of AI in automation and in equipment, in new products, I think is very important as well. So we're seeing all of that. We've made I think it's probably about $300 million investment in about 180 projects containing AI, and the return on investment, sales 32 times the amount that we've invested in those projects. So AI really does change the entire business model and provides companies with a lot more opportunity to add value for their customers.
Awesome. I think it's a perfect timing for Canada as well as for us to have you as a guest here. How many exhibitors you will bring to the EMO in Hannover?
We're looking at probably about 20 exhibitors this year, but we want to build on that, of course. But we have an AI automated process as well. So anybody who is visiting the Canadian Pavilion will be able to have automatic access to about 2,000 machine tool companies, automation companies, AI companies through our network at NGen as well. So come and see what we have to offer.